Introducing the all-new Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its groundbreaking features like its advanced camera system, stunning display, and lightning-fast processor, this device is expected to be a game-changer that will distinguish itself from competitors. The phone will offer a stunning 200-megapixel image sensor. Next up, talking about the processor. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the supersonic Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Next up, talking about the battery. The Galaxy S25 will have a 6000 mAh long-lasting battery. We all know that Samsung is well known for its fantastic displays, and in this smartphone too, Samsung didn't disappoint us, as the phone is home to a 6.8 inches QHD dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Surprisingly, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra also supports a 1.2 inches mini LED screen alongside the rear camera. On the bottom, we get to see a USB Type-C 4.0 port. When talking about the perfect smartphone, one of the top things that also matter to the customers includes a good encryption. And in this regard too, Samsung didn't disappoint us, as the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be equipped with a super-fast Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint. Samsung's curved displays were a problem for most of the Samsung users, because accidental touches and frequent scratches were recorded more commonly. And in order to cope with this problem, Samsung has finally decided to reduce the curvature in displays of its flagship S series.
So that was it for our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra renders and leaked news. We hope so you enjoyed the video. If yes, then make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more tech-related videos. Have a nice day ahead.
All content shown is copyright protected by Tech Revealer, and Technizo concepts reuse or re-edit without proper explicit written permission is not allowed.